Care to learn about the invention of the typewriter? Back in 1868, Christopher Latham Scholes invented a machine that changed everything: the typewriter. Before this, writing was slow and messy, but the typewriter made it quick and neat. Scholes also gave us the QWERTY keyboard, which we still use today. This invention didn't just speed up writing, it revolutionized communication and journalism. Reporters could now type out stories faster than ever, getting news to the public quicker. It was the first step toward the computers and smartphones we use now. So next time you tap away on your keyboard, remember, it all started with a humble typewriter.